This one truth can change your life after 60. Most people think leg weakness is a normal part of aging, but that's not true. In Japan, seniors stay strong, steady, and active even in their late 80s. Their secret? Simple at-home movements that keep the legs powerful and balanced. Today, I'll share 6 unique Japanese exercises that can help double your leg strength after 60. Exercise 1. Foot tapping wake up. Sit straight, lift your heels, and rapidly tap your toes for 20 to 30 seconds. This improves lower leg circulation and activates dormant foot muscles. Exercise 2. Shin glide stretch. Sit on a chair, slide one foot forward until the leg is straight, then pull it back without lifting it from the floor. This strengthens shins and improves walking speed. Exercise 3. Japanese hip circle stand. Stand tall, hold a chair lightly, and rotate your hips in slow circles. Japanese seniors use this to loosen tight joints and develop flexible hip movement for safer walking. Exercise 4. Heel dig push. Place your heel forward, press it into the floor, and lean slightly forward. You'll feel the back of your leg activate. Switch sides. This builds hamstring strength, important for climbing stairs. Exercise 5. Samurai step shift. Step to the side and bend your knee slightly like a martial arts stance. Then shift your weight gently back to center. This improves side balance and reduces fall risk. Exercise 6. Leg wave lift. Lie down, lift one leg slightly, and move it gently left and right like a slow wave. This works hip stabilizers and keeps joints smooth as you age. These new movements take only a few minutes a day, but they can transform how strong and stable your legs feel. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. And make sure to set the bell icon on all, so you never miss a new motivational video.